Welcome to my Fakeaway series where I'm going to teach you how to cook your favourite takeaways at home. This time we're cooking this banging doner kebab in the air fryer, and don't worry, the full recipe and method are down in the caption. This has been the most requested recipe so far, so I hope you enjoy. Add all of the spices listed in ingredients into a mince. Now I know I always say it, but please try to get the best quality lamb your budget will allow. Give it a good mix and then shape into a log. Tightly wrap in foil, then into your air fryer for 40 minutes. Once cooked, remove the foil, crank up the temperature, and then back into the air fryer for 10 minutes to crisp up. Leave the rest for 10 minutes and then carve as thinly as you can. Trust me, this is so much better and healthier than your kebab shop meat, and you know exactly what's gone into it. You are also going to save money too, absolute bonus. Don't forget your kebab shop chili sauce. The recipe for that is on a previous video, so make sure you go and check it out. Load up your doner meat with salad and get on as much of that chili sauce as you can possibly handle. What recipe would you like to see next in the Fakeaway series? Let me know in the comments. Absolutely banging.